Guidelines to fill up the online application form from National Institute of Fashion Technology for the academic session 2022 to 23.
How to complete online application process. Step 1. Please click on the click here to apply link given on the home page of the http://niftadmissions.in/application portal from the NIFT website. Step 2. On clicking the link, you will be directed to a new page having an applicant login box. Below the login fields there is a link New Registration. Please click on this link. Step 3. When you click the link you will be shown a registration form asking for various details. Fields for information that is mandatory are marked with red colored bullets and select your course and fill up all details. These fields cannot be left blank. Once you fill the details, you can click on the sign up button at the bottom for completing the registration process. Password needs to be entered 2 times. Both should be same. Otherwise, it will show an error. Please note that details submitted during registration cannot be changed later. So make sure you do not make errors in the information you fill in this form. When you click sign up button, a new pop-up showing registration details will be displayed. Click on the confirm button for completing the registration process. Step 4. Activation and validation of registration. On successful submission of registration details, you would be shown a confirmation message on the screen. You will also receive an email on the email ID provided by you in the registration form and a validation code on your registered mobile number. This email will contain an activation link. You should click on this activation link to confirm and complete your registration process. This confirmation and activation link email might land up in your spam folder or junk folder. So, in case you do not find the registration confirmation email in your inbox, please check your spam folder or junk folder. If you find the email from niftadmissionsscene@gmail.com in your spam folder or junk folder, please report it as not spam and or add the same to your contact list so that the subsequent emails from niftadmissionsscene@gmail.com always come in your inbox. Always check your spam folder or junk folder for emails from the NIFT online application portal. 1. Click on this activation link received in the email. Your account will not be activated until you have clicked on this activation link. So, do not forget this important step. 2. On clicking the activation link, you will be directed to the validation page in which you are required to give the validation code sent on your registered mobile number or email ID. Enter the validation code received on your registered mobile number or email ID to complete the registration process. Now how to fill up the application form. Step 1. After activation and validation of your registration, you can log in into the application portal. After login you will be able to see dashboard page. Now click on My Application tab as screenshot below. Now on My Application page select the course and click on Proceed button. Now the confirmation pop-up will appear. Check confirmation and click on Add the course button as screenshot below. Now the application status page will appear. Here you can see the complete step-by-step status. Now on My Application page select the course and click on Proceed button. In Application Detail page fill up other required details correctly, as shown in the above photo. Mandatory fields have been marked with red asterisks. They are to be essentially filled up before you will be allowed to save of the form. After filling up application click the Save and Continue button given at the bottom. Choose the image file, JPEG format. Photo should be within 4.5 x 3.5 cm in size. Scanning resolution should be within 100 dpi and file size not more than 100 kilobits of your scanned passport size photograph and signature and click the button Upload Photo and Upload Signature button given below the box. After you have successfully uploaded the photograph and signature, you will see the following page. After filling up application click the Save and Proceed button given at the bottom. Ensure you have filled up all the required field of the educational details. After uploading educational information, Exam Center preference page will open. Here you can select 3 exam center cities and click on the Save and Proceed button. Now finally you can see the final form as screenshot below on Preview and Confirm page. Here all details as you filled will show. If everything is okay, then click the button I confirm the above and click Confirm and Submit button. After that, system will show you the Proceed to Payment button to complete the payment. How to pay the application fees? Step 1. You will get a drop down for payment type. Here you can get online payment type. Click here to make a payment. On clicking, you will see the following screen. Step 2. You can select the applications for which you want to pay the NIFT application portal online fee by clicking online the check box given in the bottom left for select to pay. You have option of paying NIFT online fees using credit card, debit card, NEFT, net banking on SABI, NEFT, net banking on others, through payment gateway available on the portal, by clicking Proceed to Pay. Step 3. On clicking Proceed to Pay, following screen will appear. Here you can check your summary and payment amount etc. Once you click Pay Now and Submit Application button, then system will go for payment to your banking website. After a successful payment you will get payment successful message. And your application process is complete. After a successful payment you can take the print of the form and save for future correspondence.